Bombs detonated 1, members lost 0.
And one step closer to a brighter future.
Hell yeah!
Guys! Lower your voices, huh? People are listening.
Oh, right.
Now get some R&R. You've earned it. Just be ready for the next mission, all right? See you soon. At Seventh Heaven. You know, where Tifa works. Don't keep her waiting. She'll worry.
Yo, welcome back again with me in Valhead Mad Gaming Pro Channel. I am Valhead, gua Valhead. Ya, kali ini gua mau mainin sebuah game lanjutan lagi ya. Ini di part 2, ini part 2-nya dari Final Fantasy VII Remake atau Final Fantasy 7 Remake ya. Ini bisa dimainkan di PS4, tapi nanti ada lagi sequel lain atau series selanjutannya, itu Final Fantasy VII Rebirth atau Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth ya. Itu hanya bisa dimainkan awalnya eksklusif hanya di PS5, tapi sekarang udah bisa di Steam ya, PC ya. Jadi bisa buat main-mainin di PC atau di laptop juga. Nah, gimana kelanjutan keseruan kisahnya? Nah, inilah part 2-nya ya. Kita mulai. Lanjut AE. Kita disuruh ketemu di Seven Heaven, yaitu di bar lounge ya, atau di cafe, di bar cafe ya, bukan cafe sih, kayak klub, tempat minum. Kita suruh ketemu sama Tifa, cuy.
Mako is the lifeblood of the planet.
Ini ada penduduk Undercity. Oh, jadi tempatnya Barret, Wiggs ya. Terus Tifa dan kawan-kawan itu adanya di bawah, di kota bawah Midgard, cuy.
I mean, look at all that steel work. You trying to tell me that's not progress? What the? You okay, buddy?
Kau baik-baik saja, aman katanya.
Mako junkie, huh? Figures.
Nah, ini sosok-sosok yang cukup misterius ya. Jadi kayak semacam arwah ya, atau fiends, bisa juga disebut demon mungkin ya.
That hot shower can't come soon enough.
Jadi kayak arwah penasaran gitu,
from all the ash and sweat.
When I get back, it's refueling time.
Salah, bukan demon, beda lagi tuh cuy. Kalau ini lebih ke fiends atau Wraith ya, Wraith. Sektor 7 Slum ya. Ini perkumpulan tempat kumuh lah ceritanya cuy. Seven Heaven. Tapi tetap mereka dapat listrik sih ya, walaupun tinggal di tempat kumuhnya di bawah kota Midgard.
Glad I got today off. Am I still going?
What do you know? That ain't half bad.
Nah, ini dia si heroin cantik di game ini yang kita tunggu-tunggu ya. Namanya adalah Tifa.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
You've been a good girl.
Itu anaknya Barret.
Oh, you did you? Well.
You made it. Where'd you get that? I can't remember the last time I saw a real one.
Di mana kamu mendapatkan bunga itu? Aku tidak mengingat kamu mendapatkan bunga itu terakhir kali katanya.
How
Wah,
sweet.
selingkuh dia, Tifa.
When did you get so
Dapat
thoughtful?
dari ciwi lain.
Guy can change. Has been 5 years.
Huh?
Seorang pria bisa berubah katanya.
I need to talk to Barret.
Right.
Aku harus berbicara
Come on in.
kepada Barret. Besar ya. Ada yang besar tapi bukan
Daddy,
tekad.
the
Ada
Mako
yang
place blew
bulat
up.
tapi
Everyone on
bukan
TV's talking about it.
mauan.
Don't you worry about all that silliness. Daddy's here and he's not going anywhere tonight. Now turn that thing off and let's get you to bed, huh? Yeah, your money. Ask Tifa. She takes care of all that.
Minta
Do you
kepada
mind
Tifa
keeping
katanya.
Marlene company until I'm done with this?
Me?
Yeah, you.
As yet, no group has claimed responsibility for the attack, but security services are
Kita disuruh ngurusin si Marlene, anaknya Barret. Nemenin lah ya.
Hey,
Tapi si Marlene-nya mah
what the hell
ketakutan
you
gitu cuy.
think you're doing, scaring my daughter like that?
Daddy says never talk to strangers.
That's right, honey. I do say that. What a good girl you are, remembering Daddy's lessons. You know what else good girls do? They go to bed on time. Come on.
But I'm not tired. I want to talk some more, Daddy.
All right.
Tiba aku
but just
belum
this
ngantuk.
once.
Aku ingin bicara sedikit lagi,
So
Daddy
then,
katanya.
what can I get
Anjir.
you?
My money. I'm still
Jadi
waiting on it.
keinget anjir, jadi keinget anak gua anjir.
Right.
Baiklah
About
katanya.
that,
Tentang
we
itu
should talk outside.
kita harus bicara di luar. Waduh, pembicaraan
Daddy?
empat mata nih.
Did the people who
Dua
died
orang
all
ya.
return to the planet?
Of
Apakah perlu
course.
di ruangan tertutup?
Let that be a lesson to you. When you want to talk to a little kid, don't go giving other professional killer eyes.
Jangan, ketika kamu ingin berbicara kepada anak-anak, jangan berikan pandangan mata seorang pembunuh
Before we get
profesional.
on to money, there's an empty apartment in a place just down the road. It's nothing fancy, but I was thinking you could stay there for now. The landlady's a big friend of the cause, so you wouldn't even have to pay rent. Sound good?
Sure does. Thanks.
Follow me then. How was it up on the plate?
It was
Ada sebuah
chaotic.
Sorry for dragging you into
ruangan
it.
lah ya.
It was
Pakai
wrong of
rumah,
me to put
kalau
you in
rumah
danger
terlalu
like
besar,
that.
sebuah
I
ruangan
promise I
kosong
won't do it
yang bisa
again.
kita pakai
Dangerous part of the
untuk
job.
beristirahat sementara
Don't worry
untuk
about
saat
me.
ini.
I'll try not to.
Dan
Always happy to
pemiliknya
help stick it to Shinra.
memberikan kebebasan untuk kita menggunakan tempat itu gitu cuy.
So, you make nice with
Jadi
everyone?
kita
Much as I
ini
could,
sama
all things
dengan
considered.
sedang berjalan
Maybe not
berdua
enough for them.
Good.
menuju sebuah
You
kamar
had me
ya.
worried. You're not exactly a people person.
I'll give you that.
Si Tifa bilang kalau MC karakter kita utama ini
I
si
saw
Cloud
Sector
Strife
8 on
itu
the
bukan
news.
orang yang
It was like
bisa
a war zone.
ramah tamah
The news
sama
is just
banyak
another
orang
Shinra
gitu,
mouthpiece. They'll spread whatever lies Shinra tells them to.
So, it wasn't that bad?
It was.
Bukankah itu
Oh,
buruk
right.
katanya.
And here we are, good old Stargazer Heights. You're on the second floor.
Oh, ini adalah penginapan Stargazer Heights. Penginapan apa-apa gini tadi ya. Kita dapat
Room
ruangan di
201 here is where I
atas.
sleep.
Ruangan
Don't have time for much else,
201.
what with Seventh Heaven and all. Not even time to decorate.
Belum sempat dibereskan. Mau maju lagi.
Here's your room, 202. Don't worry,
Oh,
I already
bukan.
told the
Ternyata yang
landlady about
201 itu
you.
You did?
ruangannya si Tifa kayaknya.
Yes?
Kita dapat yang 202.
Oh,
Ya.
I mean, I told her I had a friend looking for a place to stay. Was that too much?
No. It's fine. And this?
That one's, know what? It's getting late. I'll introduce you tomorrow. It's a little bare, but should be enough to get you through the night. If you want anything else, we can always...
Masuk anjir.
My money.
Emang ya, ciwi
You guys
Jepang
owe me
tuh
2,000,
lebih
remember?
berani cuy. Kalau
I
udah
do.
mencintai seseorang.
And we'd love to settle up, especially since this was your first job for us. But
That's it?
sorry, we spent the rest preparing for the mission. That really is it. But not for long. I'm collecting money for filters tomorrow, so I can pay you after.
And you're sure about that?
Of course, as long as you help, that is. Wait, then I'd have to pay you for that too. Never mind.
No, 2,000's enough. That's what we agreed on, so that'll be the price. With what you gave me, that leaves 1,500.
You're the best. I'll see you bright and early at the bar then. Thanks again for everything. Sleep tight.
Selamat beristirahat. Kenapa nggak nemenin aja, Neng? Di sini, Neng. Nemenin abang, Neng. Aduh, kedinginan ini abang sendiri. Gaya-gaya cabul ya. Kagak cocok cuy sama MC karakter utama kita nih, si Cloud Strife. Gak masuk cuy, gaya cabul. Ada
Guess it's time
suara.
for introductions.
Ada apa nih di luar? Kita harus hati-hati. Cuy. Di tetangga ya, di ruangan
You okay in
sebelah,
there?
cuy.
Come
Kayak
in.
suara zombie anjir. Kayak di suara zombie di Resident Evil. Wih. Si Cloud ini sering berhalusinasi ya cuy, berimajinasi lah, kayak melihat Sephiroth gitu. Padahal ini di series originalnya Final Fantasy 7 klasik atau Final Fantasy 7 original, itu si Sephiroth udah dibunuh sama dia cuy.
What are you doing to Marco? This is his apartment. He's got a few problems, but he's not a bad guy. The landlady asked me to check on him now and then to make sure he's okay. Can I ask you to do the same?
Sure.
Kayak ditandain gitu ya cuy, kayak hasil eksperimen gitu cuy. Beh, grafiknya anjir total bedes banget. Nanti gue usahain setelah main Final Fantasy 7 Remake, gue akan seling dulu main Final Fantasy 15 ya, si Noctis dan kawan-kawan. Baru nanti gue lanjutin main Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth-nya cuy. Biar kalian gak bosen liatin si Cloud, Tifa, Aerith, Barret, Biggs ya, Biggs, terus Wedge, Jessie, terus-terusan ya. Terus ada lagi si Yufa sih, gue lupa anjir. Sid, nanti juga ada Sid.
Well now, you must be Cloud.
Kau pasti
I'm
Cloud
Marl, your
katanya.
landlady. So how'd you like the
Oh, ini
place?
pemiliknya cuy.
You from up on high?
I've been around.
I'll bet. No matter. All kinds come through with all kinds of reasons. If you ever need an ear to bend, I'll lend you mine. Can be about anything, even Tifa.
What's she to you?
The granddaughter I never had. And if you hurt her, I'll take it out of your hide. You hear me?
Loud and clear.
Good. Now you'd best get a move on to 7th Heaven. She's got a head start on you and then some.
Ini si Marley ini nggak pernah punya cucu cuy, granddaughter ya. Jadi dia udah nganggep Tifa itu seperti cucunya sendiri. Jadi memperingatkan
Nothing to report.
MC kita,
Maintaining
kalau
surveillance.
kita sampai nyakitin,
Oh,
silahkan
penis
out
buzz.
dari your hide
Husband
katanya.
decided to go with the state.
Jadi kita di kick out dari tempat tidur kita gitu ya,
How's about you and
ke kamar kita lah. Kayak anak kos aja. Vibes-nya kayak anak kosan ya. Yang seruangan cuman ada
Morning.
kamar mandi di
Just so you know,
dalam,
Marlene's still
masak
asleep.
juga di ruangan itu, anjir. Tidur di
Let's
ruangan
get down to
itu,
business,
santai
shall
di
we?
ruangan itu ya.
These water filters won't replace themselves. Although the next batch probably could, if Jessie put her mind to it. Most every home in the area has one. Folks love them because they practically eliminate the rotten egg smell. Honestly, they make us more money than this place. And it's easy money too. We bring new filters, collect the old ones, and get paid. What?
Kita membawa filter yang
Give me a
baru,
break. I'm not a
dapatkan
salesman.
bayaran gitu ya.
I'm a soldier.
Which is why no one
Aku
will
bukan
refuse to pay.
salesman, bukan
What
penjual
do you say?
anjir.
Please?
Aku adalah soldier, tentara lah ya.
Let's get this over with.
Great. And while we're at it, I'll give you the grand tour.
Jadi kita disuruh jadi sales sementara anjir sama si Tifa. By the way, buat teman-teman atau kawan-kawan
Go
yang
ahead and
belum
keep whatever we
paham,
collect. Seeing as you didn't bring any luggage, I'm guessing there's stuff you need to buy.
Thanks.
alur
And
cerita
don't worry.
panjangnya ya.
We'll pay you the difference after. Barrett's out making his rounds too.
As long as I get it all today.
Oke. Jadi di masa lalu MC karakter utama kita ini, Cloud Strife itu teman masa kecilnya si Tifa. Tifa itu anak yang teman masa kecil ya, anak-anak yang satu kampung
Hey
halaman
there. Here to change out your water filter.
sama Cloud ini, cuy.
Tifa, baby, how you doing? Been waiting for you to... Wait, who's he?
Cloud's in charge of
Tunggu dulu,
collections.
siapa dia katanya?
He'll take your money.
Sounds like a pretty sweet gig. If you ever need someone to fill in, I'm your man.
In your dreams, maybe.
Huh?
Cloud! Since we're here, maybe we should do a little shopping.
Suppose I could take a look?
Emang ketus ya, cuy. Si Cloud ini MC kita tuh ketus, cuy. Kalau ngomong agak tajam. Ini materia yang kita dapat.
Thanks. If you're ever in the market for
Ada
anything
dodge
else,
ya. Kemarin
drop
kita
on
dapat
by.
dodge, materia,
Especially
terus
if
healing
Tifa's
up,
with you.
heal up.
We'll see you around.
HP
okay?
up, HP up.
And let us know when your
Materia
filter next
kemarin.
needs changing.
HP up sama dodge materia. Tapi tadi ada lightning materia juga. Gue biasanya
He's a regular.
nyeting lightning itu
Stock
ke
up here and
si
he
Sid
might throw in a
nanti.
freebie or two.
For you, maybe.
Well, you could try being a little nicer.
To get free shit? Not my style.
Bukan gayaku.
Our
gitu
next
ya.
stop is Stargazer Heights. Landlady's a client.
Just met her.
Then you know what to expect. Remember, she's a good friend of Avalanche, so be nice. Please.
Kita suruh ketemu sama landlady ya, yang pemilik
Apparently it was done by
penginapan
a
kita.
terrorist group called Avalanche. Nothing to report. Maintaining surveillance.
Hey, Marl. Got some filters for ya.
Tifa, my dear, dear girl. Oh, what's he doing here?
Working?
Be nice. Cloud's helping me with
Berlakulah baik
collections.
katanya.
You better take
Hanya
care
Tifa
of
yang
her.
bisa
I'm pretty good at
maksa
taking care of
MC
myself,
kita
you
si
know.
Cloud untuk bisa
That I do.
baik.
Still,
cuy.
better him than
Yang
you.
lain belum bisa,
No
cuy.
charm, no
Bahkan
wit,
si Aerith aja yang
big
katanya
sword, but no skills.
cinta
got skills.
pertamanya Cloud ya,
Be nice.
itu nggak bisa,
I'm
cuy.
doing my best.
You're looking awfully glum. Are you getting enough sleep? A good long rest to cure anything, I tell you.
A tried and true lesson for life on the ground floor. Am I right?
That you are. Now, your money.
Thanks, Marl. You take care of yourself.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
Cloud, lu tuh udah dikasih tempat
Marl's
istirahat
great.
gratis,
She helped get
ya,
me set up back in the
kos-kosan
day.
gratis lah.
You
saying they're gonna
been
step
here a
up their
while now?
game.
5 years, give or take.
Tinggal bantu-bantu aja yang
But
bener.
never
gitu
mind
ya.
that. We've got to get
Bersikap
you your money.
baik.
Last stop is the weapons store.
Trains don't start moving.
Emang sulit banget anjir. Untuk MC
Don't try
karakter
anything
kita
funny
nih
or
agak
you'll get
kaku
it.
memang. Ya personalitinya, kepribadiannya Cloud ini kaku cuy.
Hey, that last filter didn't do shit.
We're so
Filter
sorry
terakhir
about
tuh
that.
nggak berfungsi
Hopefully this
katanya.
one will work better.
Save your excuses and get out.
All right. If you could just settle your bill, we'll be on our way.
The hell? You charging me for your busted-ass goods?
My associate handles payment disputes.
Think you can mosey up in here and have it your way?
Pretty please.
Thank you very much. Seeing as we're done with our rounds and you've got a small fortune now, why not take a gander at the weapons?
Well, when will Barrett be back with the rest?
Before we open up tonight. It'll be a
Cantik
while
banget ya,
yet,
cuy.
so...
Aduh, ini
What do you wanna
karakter
do?
waifu sepanjang masa
Don't
sih,
really
cuy. Tifa
In
tuh
that case,
karakter waifu
I've got a
sepanjang masa.
suggestion.
Pakai bajunya
Wanna
pas
hear it?
lagi, seksi, cuy.
If you're serious about becoming a merc, then you're going to need to start making connections. It's not what you know, but who you know, you know?
Another lesson for life on the ground floor?
Yep. Connections get you jobs. Jobs build your rep. And more rep gets you better connections.
How do I start?
Why not help out the neighborhood watch? They're mostly volunteers, but you'll get to know people.
Yeah, okay.
Didn't see anybody at the office, so let's head up top.
No better way to keep you and your family safe than with a weapon of your own.
Huh?
Check out our selection.
I ain't got nothing for a punk-ass bitch like you. Get on
Ini
out
kayak
of here.
weapon, oh ya weapon vendor,
No better
cuy.
way to
Ini
keep
tempat
you and your
pembelian
family safe with
senjata
a
ya.
weapon of your own. Come and check out our selection.
We gotta do
Ada
something
tempat
about the
pembelian
monsters on
armor
Scrap Boulevard.
juga.
I'll head on down there first thing.
Huh. Didn't know you were holding down the fort.
Huh? Oh, hey, Cloud. Looking to join the neighborhood watch?
That depends. What does this neighborhood watch do?
Lots of stuff, really. But our top priority is taking care of any beasts that wander into town. That, and teaching the locals how to defend themselves.
Like they say, the only one who will look out for you is you.
Cloud's a great fighter, but only we know that. If no one knows him, no one will hire him. Thought if he joined the watch, he could get his name out there.
That would work for everybody.
Truth be told, we could really use your help. We can't pay you in gil, but we'll work something out. For example... Aha! What about your sword? I could mod it for you.
No thanks. It's fine just the way it is.
What? You some kind of purist? I know I'd never pass up a chance to improve my gear. Come on. At least let me show you how it's done.
Si Biggs ini dia jago untuk ini ya ngemod atau ngemodif lah, modification weapon cuy, modifikasi senjata. Jadi mau minjam pedangnya si Cloud ini. Nah ternyata iya benar cuy, dia bisa nambahin ini ya status ya. Ada nambahin max HP, max HP, nambahin attack tadi ini max HP ya. Strong attack damage 5% booster serangan kuatnya ya.
All set. Needless to say,
Buster
you'll have to
sword.
try it out to appreciate the difference.
Thanks.
We'll do you one better. Spread the word to everyone who listen about the new merc in town.
Between him and Wedge, there isn't anyone they don't know.
I'll march through the streets singing your praises, even on an empty stomach.
So, where are these monsters?
Scrap Boulevard. Good hunting.
Hey Cloud, I'll come with.
Taman rongsokan
I've got
ya.
this.
Scrap Boulevard ya.
You don't know the way, do you?
Lead on.
Sure thing. I know these streets better than anyone.
Nah, Tifa nyatu ya, lagi join sama party kita. Nah, ini shortcut biar mudah kita pakainya. Tinggal tekan tombol-tombol L1 plus O atau
Scrap Boulevard is out
L1 plus
west.
apa gitu.
Past the
Itu
barricades
untuk
supposed to keep
pakai
the
apa
monsters
gitu.
out.
Tadi
Anyway,
gua
we should
pakai
prepare just
settingnya
in
buat
case.
pakai potion.
Even our facilities are starting to look a little like...
Folks who are tops out of
Searching for candidates.
anger right now.
Ini apa ini cuy?
Doing our best.
kayak karakter, bukan karakter NPC biasa ya, kayak bukan kayak karakter biasa. Pakainya pukulan ya cuy, kalau Tifa tuh pakainya knuckle, sarung tangan, glove cuy. Jadi dia memang ahli bela diri sebenarnya, walaupun cantik ya, waifu sepanjang masa, tapi dia kekuatan fisiknya ngeri cuy, nggak kalah sama
I
laki.
can see why monsters would feel right at home.
And the more we pile up, the more they show up.
Semakin kita makin ke dalam katanya ya, more we pile up. Ini ada materia lagi. Nice, kita dapat ice materia. Kita udah punya fire materia juga. Oke, lumayan ya. Nanti kita bisa pakein ice. Biasanya gue pakein ke si Aerith. Kalau enggak ya ke Tifa lah.
Deal with that.
UV. Kalau gue baru inget siapa gitu, dan nanti tuh kita ketemu sama karakter tambahan, ada UV, ada Sid.
Hang back.
Mampus loh. Nyedot begitu ya, nempel ke cewek terus disedot begitu anjir. Ini bisa dihancurin. Ini juga bisa ya. Mogel medal ya, medali mogel. Gua lupa tuh, bisa ditukar sama hadiah kalau nggak salah cuy, kalau udah nyampe berapa gitu.
Here we go.
Burger.
It's over. Keep it together.
Oh, sebagai Tifa tekan segitiga bisa tuh pakai whirling cut. Serangan inilah angin putaran udara gitu ya.
Get ready.
Mati lo.
Deal with that.
Okay, let's go.
Let's do this.
All set.
Intinya dalam pertarungan, dalam sistem battlefieldnya, kalian bisa change
You're good
karakter
at this. Charging in like it
ya.
was nothing.
You too.
Kurang lebihnya sama kayak kalau di game
Well, I've been here
smartphone
5
itu
years
sama
now.
kayak
If you don't look out for
Genshin
yourself,
Impact,
no one
kayak
else will.
Wuthering
By the way,
Wave ya,
that
WoW
one's gonna be on the
WoW
test.
atau GI.
This a lesson?
Gotta learn if you're gonna stick
Terus
around.
kayak apa lagi ya yang
Okay,
mudah cepet
let's wrap this
pindah-pindah
up.
karakter tuh. HSR juga sebenarnya walaupun turn based ya, turn based RPG atau bergantian sebenarnya nggak bebas kayak gini, nggak action role playing game, tapi dia juga tukar-tukar karakternya bisa cepet.
Alright, I think that might be the last of them.
You won't stay
Kalau
gone for
lagi
long.
roaming, lagi
Of course
menjelajah,
not. Even so,
exploring
folks will be
ya,
grateful for the peace and quiet in the
map
meantime.
area
A win's a win,
atau
you know?
area peta gitu.
Trust me, it'll do wonders for your rep. Right, let's go check in with Biggs and Wedge.
Ada Big sama Wedge juga di sini katanya. Kita suruh ngecek keadaan mereka.
Doesn't look like a merc.
Oh enggak, mereka nunggu ya cuy. Mereka nunggu cuy. Nunggu di tempat yang tadi ya, di base camp.
I hear you sell swords. I want to introduce yourself to the other merchants.
It's you! You're the merc everybody's talking about. Am I right?
Kau adalah tentara bayaran yang semua orang katakan,
I
bukan?
knew it! So,
Aku
the
tahu
board
itu
here tracks
katanya.
how many monsters folks have taken down, right? A bigger number means a safer town, and who wouldn't want that? Just between you and me, though, they're pretty much all your kills. Cool, huh? Anyway, keep up the good work. We'll try to make it worth your while.
Dapat rewards juga, ada hadiahnya cuy. Kalau di Final Fantasy 7 Remake ini kita bisa dapat hadiah dari berapa banyak jumlah fins atau monster yang kita
Got
bunuh.
every last one too. Now the slums should be safe.
You guys are machines!
Good job. Meanwhile, we told everyone we could about you.
So I heard. I've got to ask though. What did you tell them?
It's all right. All you gotta do is keep up the good work. It'll pay off soon enough, I promise.
How's the sword, by the way?
Good.
Glad to hear it. Seems like
Gede
a perfect
banget
fit
ya,
for you.
anjir. Dan karakter kita tuh dengan entengnya megang dengan tangan satu, coy. Megang hanya dengan
You okay?
one hand gitu. Padahal ini pedangnya great sword ya, pedang tangan dua, cuy.
Been meaning to ask. After you left the village,
It's a long story.
I've got time. Why don't you tell me all about it while we try to rustle up some more work for you?
That sounds great. I'll come too.
Oh, no, you won't.
What?
Run along now, you two.
Sorry,
Go on.
maybe next time.
No fair.
Think
Si
about
Biggs
it for a
ngerti ya.
second. They haven't
Wedge
seen each
pengen
other in
ikutan
years.
sama
You'd be a
kita.
third wheel.
Kau akan menjadi orang ketiga,
Hey,
katanya.
before we get
Mereka
back
tidak
to it,
bertemu
why
selama
don't you check
beberapa
out the
tahun,
weapons?
katanya.
No need.
Come on, the
Udah
dealer's
perlu.
probably heard all about you by now. Might treat you better.
I don't know about that.
Someone got rid of No better way to keep you and your family safe than with a weapon of your own. Come and check out our selection.
Hold up.
Speak with our friendly staff.
Heard there's a merc that'll take on any monster. You the man?
Word spreads fast around here.
Aku mendengar
What if I
bahwa
had-
ini adalah tentara bayaran
Sorry
yang
about
akan
before.
mengalahkan
I get
semua
antsy
jenis
when
monster.
business is
katanya.
slow. Man in your line of work needs weapons, no? Why not try that one on for size? Yours on the house. Badass like you rocking my weapons is good advertising. Think about it.
Fine.
Or if you want to take a look at something else.
Just a look.
Kita dapat gratis Iron Sword. Nice. Sini ada Star Bracelet, nambahin defense-nya 3. Ini Iron Bangle nambahin defense-nya 16 sama magic-nya 16. Magic defense ya, maksudnya magic defense dan defense, physical defense. Ini power worse guard. Oke.
Don't be a stranger.
Since
Oh,
you've
kita
got
bisa
yourself a new
dapetin
weapon,
skill, cuy.
let's see if we can't put it to
Skill
good
baru.
use. Come on.
Tapi di sini sebutannya
Let's go
bukan
chat up
skill ya, tapi
Weimer.
abilities.
Who?
Beda
The
istilah
guy who
ya.
tracks all the requests that come to the watch. You never know. Could toss some work your way.
Where's he at?
Oh, he should be back at the office by now.
Dia seharusnya sudah ada di kantornya sekarang katanya. Kita ganti dulu kayaknya ya. Lumayan ini. Tapi di bawah kita cuy, karena kita udah di mod. Ini cuma 23. Master Sword 27. Ini juga bisa di mod juga cuy. Yang baru ya, Iron Blade Core tuh. Tapi butuh SP ya. SP-nya lumayan tuh dapetinnya kalau naik level aja cuy. Nah ini letter glove-nya si Tifa. Kita bisa upgrade juga, speednya nambah 5. Ini max HP. Oke, mantap ya. Dan
I hear you sell swords.
Searching for candidates.
Introduce yourself.
Hey there, Tifa. You need a helping hand?
Actually, I wanted to introduce you to an old friend of mine. This is Cloud. He's a merc.
Ah, you don't say. Well, we're always on the lookout for experienced fighters to help us deal with the bigger critters.
I'll take on anything. For the right price, that is.
Experienced and cocky, huh? If it's a challenge you want, I might have a few good ones. Your clients can fill you in on the details. Prove yourself at these jobs, and I'll see if I can't find you some more.
Thanks.
Terima kasih katanya.
Candidate detected. Performing physical analysis. Sizable weapon. Excellent
Kandidat
cardiovascular
terdeteksi
health
katanya.
and impressive lung capacity. Perfectly balanced muscle and bone structure. An optimal candidate. My name is Chadley. I'm an intern for Shinra's Research and Development Division. I hope you'll be interested in helping me with my
Kan
research.
bener dia
Please accept this as a down payment.
kerja untuk
I would
Shinra.
like you to set that assess materia in your equipment and use it to gather intelligence in battle. This data will help me to develop new types of materia.
I'm not interested in working for Shinra.
You should know that I work actively to undermine Shinra's efforts. I'm sure you of all people can appreciate the tremendous power of materia, as well as how it might be wielded against your corporate enemies. And if you later decide that I am not worthy of your trust, you can do what you do best.
I will hold you to that.
Excellent! Then we shall work together
Chadley
so
namanya,
long as
Jay.
you deem fit. Once you've completed your task, please return and report to me. Please set the orb of assess materia to your equipment and use it to gather battle intel.
Gotta admit, the watch is a lot more.
Everyone I know said they felt a lot better.
So they blew up a reactor so they could.
My husband decided to go to the States.
Just imagine.
Bagus ya, setiap NPC-nya non-player karakter yang tersebar di kota, semua ada voice fillernya cuy, ada pengisi suaranya, ada voice aktor dan
And you,
aktrisnya.
the new merc in town looking for work,
Untuk
right?
para cowok dan laki-laki, maksudnya para
In
laki
that
dan
case,
para
maybe you could do
cewek,
something
gitu ya,
about the
para
Doom Rats. Them and their were
laki-laki dan
rat
para
buddies have been tearing
wanitanya
up town
tuh
looking
ada
for
suaranya
food and whatnot.
masing-masing, pengisi
Got
suaranya
into the
masing-masing,
store and
cuy.
made one hell of a mess, let me tell you. Oh, you think that's funny, do you? Don't lie. I saw you crack a smile. Well, do the job and you can laugh it up for all I care. Anyway, they're probably nesting in the outskirts. Now I've heard a were-rat in pain will call its friends for help. And the whole rat pack will come running just like that.
All the items you could want, straight from the plate.
How's about you and
Friend of mine's in a street.
You know,
I won't lose.
Get ready.
Bring it!
That'll do. I don't see any Doom Rats around.
What do you think? Should we wait? You know, this might be a waste of time. Let's head back to the store and touch base for now.
Some creepy dude. All the items you could want, straight from the plate. No matter your needs or your budget.
Well, rats too much to handle? I'm just messing with you. Heard you took out some were-rats, which is nice and all, but the job was to wipe out the Doom Rats. No biggie. Get back out there and finish the job, and we're good. Don't look so glum. It's only a matter of time till they show. You'll get them this time for sure.
Kita suruh misinya membunuh Doom Rat ya, tapi kita baru ngebunuh Were Rat ya. Were Rat ya, Were Rat cuy. Kita beli lightning materia 2, lumayan, nanti buat kita pasangin ke tim.
All the items you could want, straight from the plate.
How's about you and...
A friend of mine's an aspiring actor. If you're interested.
Keep your cool.
No need to worry.
No holding back.
Ini beda ya. Doomred itu ukurannya jauh lebih besar sih. Dan dia kayak ada apa? Nah, udah ke stagger. Mati lu.
Keep it together.
I got this.
Mati lu.
There's no other down.
My turn. All right. Don't overdo it.
Okay, let's go.
Right.
Weakness-nya ya.
Let's do this.
Kita observe tadi melihat gitu kelemahan dan profilnya dari monster. Dan kita udah selesai. Bisa langsung teleport ke item shop lagi untuk import. Tapi di sini ada chest. Gua akan ambil, dapat 3 bom ya. Lumayan, nanti grenades juga bisa dipakai di saat lagi pertarungan, coy.
Some creepy dude. All the items you could want, straight from the plate. No matter your needs or your budget.
Finally managed to get those Doomreds, huh? Thanks,
Akhirnya
guys.
berhasil
You're the
mengalahkan
greatest.
Doomred kan.
We're so dead in here, I thought I might have to close up shop for good.
Itu kayak
Got an
gudang
idea.
ini ya, kayak
Hear me
gudang
out. If the guy who took care of the town's
dari
rat
item
problem
shop
told
ini,
everybody
cuy.
where he liked to shop, well, what do you say? I'll make it worth your while, of course. Give you some incentive. Talk you up to Weimer and my customers, and anybody else who listen. You'll be swimming in work before you know it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay then, that's what I like to hear. Seventh Heaven, the new merchant town and my little store. I can see it now. We're gonna clean up.
Dapat 5 high potion, lumayan. Gratis ya. Mulihin 700 HP, 700 HP ya. High potion gua tambahin lagi 5 lagi jadi 10. Untuk stok nyelesain misi-misi selanjutnya ya, cuy.
That went well. Could be you
Nah,
found
itu
your
berjalan
calling.
baik katanya.
Was alright, I guess.
Think of each job as an opportunity, not to make money, but to build connections.
It's not what you know, but who.
You remembered.
Not a patient teacher.
Maybe not so patient next time.
Oh boy.
Oh, Barrett should have finished collecting his share of the money by now. So what do you want to do? Head back to the bar?
Thanks to the awesome new Merchant Town, everyone's favorite item shop is better than ever.
Can't help but take a look.
Apparently it was done by a terrorist.
What's gonna happen to Mika?
That landlady, Marl.
The watch is saying they're gonna
Hey,
step up.
Tuh ya, semua NPC-nya ngomong cuy, ada suaranya cuy. Kalau yang di Final Fantasy 7 klasik atau original dulu di PlayStation 1 ya, on PlayStation 1,
Hey,
there's
where'd you
no
guys go?
voice filler for NPC, nggak ada pengisi suara buat NPC cuy.
Is Marlene with you?
No.
Marlene, apakah bersamamu? Kata.
Okay. I was
Ini
kind of
temennya
hoping she
Marlene.
could help me find my friends.
I know someone who can help you. This guy right here.
Really? Okay, let me tell you all about them. They have long arms and legs, and they're a little skinny. They like places where there's food, and nice people will give them treats when they ask.
Punya tangan panjang dan kaki panjang katanya
And
ya.
they're all cats.
dan dia senang sama
I'm
makanan.
looking for cats.
They're
Apakah aku
friendly,
benar
so if you
mencari
call them, they'll come
seekor
running. All 3 of them. Find
kucing
my
katanya?
friends, please.
Minta tolong nyariin temennya dia yang
What's
tadi
the
ya,
source of
tangannya panjang, kakinya panjang katanya, dan sedikit kurus, little bit skinny.
I wish you luck.
Apa anjir?
Not gonna let you
Kucing masa ya kayak gitu anjir? Cuman panjang kaki sama tangannya doang. Kayak monster.
Think we could get some
Wait,
money if you want
did you hear that just now? I think one of Betty's cats might be nearby.
You can thank the trains for that.
Yeah, and I don't even like studying.
Enggak kok, dia gak ini ya, gak panjang kaki sama tangannya doang.
Thinking I might join in.
Kucing beneran anjir.
I told Dad we're getting the source of all girls.
I've been told the sewage.
Gua sih berharapnya ada remake buat Final Fantasy 8 ya cuy.
We need to think of a way.
Final Fantasy Egg remake. Soalnya keren juga sebenarnya cuy, alur ceritanya. Tapi kenapa cuma Final Fantasy 7 aja gitu? Tolong Squaresoft.
cat to come out. It snatched one of my pastries and scurried in there. Will you be a dear and lend me a hand?
Banyak ya orang yang nyuruh kita untuk quest tambahan. Please, if you heard anyone who responsible for job in and developing game in Square Enix or Squaresoft company or corporate, please for further for future reconcilable to make Final Fantasy 8 reconsider for make Final Fantasy 8 remake, not only Final Fantasy 7 remake, because Final Fantasy 8 have many fans also.
Let's check it out.
Sesuatu yang salah katanya. Ayo kita cek. Kucing ini kabur-kaburan ya.
Screw this.
Padahal tinggal diambil aja kucingnya. Terus langsung kasihin ke anak kecilnya.
Don't take your eyes off. Oh, hey. Thanks for helping out.
Thanks to the awesome new.
Laporan dulu kita ke si anak kecil tadi.
Is it just me or Hey, Miss Lockhart, who's that guy you're with?
Next item on the Friends of Freshness.
What? What? They
Apa?
ran away?
Mereka pergi katanya.
We're never gonna see them again?
Jadi aku tidak akan bertemu mereka lagi. Oh, ada 3 anjir.
You came back!
Kirain gua kucing yang sama,
The scary
bangke.
man was chasing them. Thank you!
Lots of girls who live here have the potential to become big, big stars.
I've been told the sewage smell's gotten much worse.
What's the big sword for?
Wonder.
Aha, the man with the strange job. Heard you kill those pests.
Guess I'll go check.
Gua sedikit ngantuk sebenarnya cuy, karena semalam gua tidur cuma sebentar dan kebetulan bangun kan. Setiap hari kan kita harus sahur karena ada project, ada tugas gua.
What do we have
Jadi
here?
malam tuh kurang
I'm
tidurnya.
guessing you're that merc I've heard so much about. You're not here to shop, are you? People were right. You look like you can handle yourself. So some drakes have made themselves at home in the abandoned Talagar factory. Can't have that kind of trouble around here. My regulars will do anything to get their hands on the scrap in there, and if they run into those drakes, they could get hurt.
I'll handle it.
Much obliged, sir. Head on over to the old Talagar factory and talk to Narjan. He's the watchman guarding the entrance. Good luck. I'm counting on you, my friend.
Kita dapat subquest lagi, misi tambahan lagi. Ini dia jual item juga ya, tapi bukan item store yang utama di sini. Ternyata kita beli aja lumayan. Ya, Midgar ya, bukan Rune Midgard. Gua ketukar-tukar tuh antara Midgard City di Final Fantasy VII Remake ini sama Rune Midgard. Kalau Rune Midgard itu ibu kotanya Ragnarok, cuy.
So he's the rat.
Game Ragnarok ya. Mirip sih, mirip-mirip.
If none of the trains are running,
News this good just has to
why bother putting them outside?
Ada Kokobo juga, itu nggak tahu tuh. Bukan range-nya ya, tapi bukan peternakan Kokobonya kayaknya.
Not gonna let you sleep. Think we could get some people in music?
Kotaknya besar cuy. Sektor 7 ini sektor 7 ini tempat perkumuh apa ya? Jadi pemukiman kumuh. Ya, pemukiman kumuh sektor 7 ini lumayan luas ya.
Wait a minute. Tifa? Don't tell me you're here to take care of those things. Are you? In that case, be my guest. We believe there's at least 2 groups lurking somewhere inside the factory. Find and cull them all.
Ini ada pabrik Talagar, tapi udah ditinggalkan, jadi udah abandon. Kita bisa hancurin. Tetap lihat sekeliling ya cuy, karena suka ada treasure chest. Nah ini kayak ini nih, ini beda sama waktu awal. Di tempat awal kan treasure chestnya kotak ya, di tempat ini bulat cuy, kayak kepala atau hulu ledaknya misil. Nah itu juga bisa dihancurin tuh. Crate ya, kotak-kotak dapat potion lumayan.
Won't be tough.
Udah border lagi.
Keep it together.
Okay, let's go. You're up.
I got this. Don't overdo it.
I got this.
Yang pertama sistem battle-nya kayak gini gitu ya, pakai action role playing game itu awalnya Final Fantasy 15 dulu cuy. Baru Final Fantasy 7 Remake ini dirilis. Baru Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth juga ngikutin. Dan terakhir Final Fantasy 16 ya, yang terbaru. Ini kita bisa place materia di weapon kita. Mau pakai materia yang mana? Nah, gua pakai yang Aces materia ya, yang didapat dari Marley, yang landlady Lord. Ini bisa dihancurin. Nggak semua tumpukan box dihancurin dapat item ya cuy, random juga.
This won't take long.
That's that. Let's do this.
That's a win.
Hold segitiga, oke. Untuk pembukanya udah. Dapat fire material lagi cuy, lumayan. Punya 2 berarti ya, fire material. Ice juga tadi kita dapat 1. Terus lightning kita tadi beli 2 ya, lightning material. Nanti seiring berjalannya game, semakin kuat si Cloud, satu karakter itu bisa pegang kalau nggak salah maksimal 4 material. Jadi makin kuat nanti materialnya juga bisa dapat material yang summoning ya. Bisa manggil summon. Wah, yang terbang gini nih paling males asli. Harus sambil loncat ya, kita loncat dulu baru lock target dulu, loncat baru kita serang. Mampus lu. Belum tahu dia kalau Tifa bisa suka loncat-loncat. Nah, kena stagger kan lu. Kalau kena stagger itu musuhnya jadi kehilangan defense ya, kehilangan pertahanan cuy, lebih mudah untuk dibunuh. Oke.
I got this. Let me handle this. You're up.
Hang back.
Payback.
It's on now.
Pembalasan kembali gitu ya, pembayaran kembali. Dapat medali mogul lagi, lumayan. Ini terkunci kencang katanya. Mungkin yang sebelah sini dulu cuy yang bisa dibuka. Oke, bisa. Ternyata yang sebelah sini ya. Apa kita harus nyari akses card dulu untuk bisa membuka pintu yang satunya. Laser Drake. Drake itu bentuknya mirip kayak dragon ya, kayak naga, sama worm yang weird ya, tapi versi paling kecil. Kalau worm atau worm itu kan besarnya sedang ya, paling tinggi itu dragon, naga. Tapi sebenarnya sama-sama keluarga apa ya, kadal terbang lah, kadal bersayap. Cuma kalau dinosaurus kan memang di real world, di dunia nyata tuh ada. Nah, ini ada treasure chest, ada kotak harta lagi. Kalau dinosaurus kan memang zaman prehistorik itu ada gitu, dan bisa dibuktikan dengan fosilnya ya. Di museum-museum kan ada fosil-fosil dinosaurus tuh di beberapa museum. Tapi kalau naga itu sampai sekarang masih perdebatan cuy. Apakah benar pernah ada di masa lampau atau hanya sekedar cerita fiksi ilmiah ya. Kita update lagi, tambahin speed, lumayan speednya nambah 5. Sebenarnya kita bisa terus-terusan pakai pedang bawaannya ya, si Buster Sword ini dari awal game sampai akhir game. Tinggal kalian terus mod ya, kita upgrade terus biar naik terus serangannya. Atau kalian bisa pilih pedang lain dulu, terus kita baru modif yang pedang barunya, bisa juga cuy. Ini yang tukang nyedot ya, mulutnya tuh kayak limpah coy. Push. Udah lumayan gede ya, kita damage-nya udah 180, 200 gitu. Awal main kemarin di part pertama masih 20-30 serangannya gitu. Ya dong, kan kita progres ya, masa lemah terus cuy karakternya.
You're dead. Alright. It's on you.
All set.
Wah, dia langsung ya. Blizzard, kita pakai sihir.
That it?
Agak pegel juga nih leher gua, cuy.
Give him hell.
Yeah, we are done with this mission. It's time to report our result. Jadi kita sudah selesai menyelesaikan misi tambahan tadi. Ini waktunya kita report ya. Laporan misinya sudah kelar biar dapat hadiah, cuy.
Thinking I might join in one of those. But didn't she?
Best of luck to you, kid.
Gonna have to save up.
Next item on the Friends of.
Guy who lives over there.
Luas banget anjir kota ini. Sektor 7 doang ini ada 10 sektor kalau nggak salah, 9 ya.
Cloud, you were the first to gather the data I requested. Here is the rest of your payment. I have developed new materia. Would you like to see it?
Dia udah membuat sebuah materia baru. Chadley ini, dia nggak jahat ya walaupun kerja untuk Shinra. Ya, ini akses materia ya, sama ada auto cure. Nah, auto cure itu jadi kalau darah atau HP
we
bar,
can harness
ya,
enough power to take down Shinra. I'll keep preparing more battle intel reports, which I hope you will assist me in
dia
completing.
bisa nge-cure sendiri, cuy. Ada magic element, ternyata nanti ke depannya ada musuh-musuh yang elemennya tuh bergantung kepada beda-beda ya.
I have to tell you that I'm grateful for all of your help thus far.
Aku harus mengatakan kepadamu bahwa aku sangat berterima kasih atas pertolonganmu sejauh ini. Aku sudah menyelesaikannya, katanya. Oke, first strike material kita. Kalau di item shop belum ada ya, cuy. Di tempat ini udah ada gitu. Kalau kita tapi nyelesain misi dulu syaratnya untuk bisa dapetin material yang baru.
Battle intel submissions.
I hear you sell swords.
Ke weapon shop lagi.
What are you in the market for?
Barangkali ada update. Masih Star Bracelet ya. Ini ada physical defense 3 dan magical defense-nya 3, cuy. Nah, ini kita udah bisa pakai 2 materia. Ya. First strike, oke. Si Tifa baru bisa 1 ya, 1 materia, cuy.
You carrying my weapons is the best advertisement a man could ask for.
Item kita masih cukup lah ya. Ini padahal magical defense-nya 16 dan physical defense-nya 16 lebih tinggi, cuy, sebenarnya.
You totally saved that man's business.
Hey, we got another job for you, Merc.
Was thinking I might chat out by myself.
So they blew up a reactor so they could.
My husband decided to go to the station.
Just imagine if rich people
Heard you kill those guys.
Sorry ya, di part 2 ini mungkin gua akan lebih fokus nyelesain submission ya, atau subquest, cuy, misi-misi tambahan, karena ngumpulin Jill ya. Jill itu mata uang in-game di series game Final Fantasy ini, jadi bukan gold, bukan juga apa gitu. Ini pakainya mata uangnya Gil. ya. Untuk bisa beli equipment dulu coy. Jadi nanti pas kita jalanin main quest atau misi utamanya tuh udah prepare ya.
Are you ready for more, son?
Where it is, you got
All right, Merc. What are you in the market for?
Nah, si Tifa akhirnya bisa 2 juga cuy, bisa 2 materia. Tergantung slot equip juga sih cuy. Bukan masalah kuat karakternya tambah kuat atau enggak, tergantung slot equipnya. Equipnya tuh slotnya beda-beda.
So they blew up a reactor so they could. My husband decided to go to the station.
Just imagine if rich people start.
Heard you killed those pests. Another day.
Solid gold.
Those disgusting vermin deserved what they
Got rid of those drakes in the factory, did
kita
ya?
laporan dulu ke
What a
Junk Dealers.
relief. I can't wait to give my regulars the good news. You're the real deal, all right.
Pedagang
Keep it up,
ini ya,
and I can see you going
pedagang
far
rongsok.
as a merc in
Kalau
this
Junk
town.
Dealers tuh.
I've worked with my fair share over the years.
Ada di
so
dunia
believe me
nyata
when
juga
I say that I
pedagang
know what I'm
rongsok.
talking about. Anyway, you're needed over at the Pillar. Apparently another flying bastard stirring up trouble. Bet you can't get enough of this, huh?
Well...
Now I get it. If you're good at something, might as well make it your living. May not know you, but I know a man who's found his calling when I see one. Keep at it. I switch out my stock every so often, so drop by when you're in the neighborhood, huh?
Dapat 500 jil, lumayan. Nice.
I'll bet a lot of people are talking about you right now. There's this amazing merc who can handle anything.
Aku bertaruh banyak orang yang membicarakanmu sekarang.
Oh,
Ada si Tifa.
so you want more of a challenge, huh?
Jadi kamu ingin mendapatkan tantangan yang lebih gitu sekarang ya.
You ever take So he's the wrestler. Who's this good just has to be.
Wish I could dry my clothes in cleaner air.
Can you even...
Might be a good idea this time.
Not gonna let you speak.
Think we could get some more people than usual? Are they actually letting people in there?
If the planet's a living being.
Seriously? I'm sorry, but it's outside our
Ada
jurisdiction.
seseorang yang ingin
Yes, sir.
masuk ke area ini tapi
Don't leave at
dilarang.
once. I will be forced to arrest you. Oh yeah?
Oh ini cuy, ini beda, bukan Avalanche ya, bukan tim Avalanche.
You won't believe this.
Ini kayak
A
penjaga dari
cerulean
Shinra
drake flew
cuy.
in from the train graveyard, but these two clowns refuse to get off their butts and do anything about it. Hey, is that? It is you, the
Hey.
new merc. Then maybe you can help us
ini ya,
out. The drake
tentara
is in the
bayaran
old
yang baru
Talagar
katanya.
factory over there. But to reach it, you'll need to get a hold of a watch security key. You should be able to find one inside one of the crates. I forget which. Just smash them all.
Oh, ada di sebuah kotak ya, security cardnya. Kita bisa dapetin satu gitu, tapi dia lupa di mana gitu, kotak yang mana. Anjir. Bikin ini ya, bikin kerjaan cuy. Oke. Dapat medali mogul. Bread.
Piece of cake.
Kita muterin lagi ya, bekas pabrik ini cuy. Tapi kita udah lebih kuat jadi lebih cepat sih ngalahinnya. Nice. Mampus lo. Dapat potion. Mana ya, kotak yang mana ya? Masih ini juga nih PR nih. Emang seninya sebuah role playing game adalah seperti ini ya. Jadi seri-seri game yang petualangan tuh ya begini cuy, muter-muter. Karena gue juga pecinta Toram Online, itu MMO sih ya, Multi-Massive Online Role Playing Game. Ya pokoknya gue pecinta jenis-jenis RPG lah. Jadi memang rata-rata RPG itu ada storyline, ada alur ceritanya. Kayak gini, nah ini Watch Security Key. Yes, kita udah dapet, nice. Kita balik lagi keluar dari tempat ini. The fastest way. Where is the fastest way to get out from here? Where red ya, bener where red. Ada Doom Red, ada Where Red. Where Red itu kayaknya versi lemahnya lah. Ini weaknessnya S ya, dia kelemahannya S cuy. Jadi kalau kita equip ice material, nanti serangannya tuh ada efek-efek S-nya. Tapi beda monster, beda kelemahan ya cuy. Mampus. Dapat 2 potion lumayan. Dapat potion lagi. Potion masih gampang ya didapetinnya cuy. Yang high potion yang masih agak sulit. Oh ya kan benar, security key, kita perlu security key untuk bisa tembus ke sana. Nice, itu gerbang sebelah kiri. Mampus lu, Serunean. Ini spesial ya, dia weakness-nya angin cuy. Wind. Number defeat, oke. XP-nya 73, Jill-nya dapat uangnya 76. Gak ada lengkap ya, cuman kelemahannya dia angin aja. Ya, anggap aja ini mini boss cuy. Mampus lu. Oke. Done. Biasanya gue ice pakainya ke si Aerith dan Tifa tuh pakainya wind material gue. Karena dia kan pukulan ya, jadi biar lebih ini bisa langsung kembali atau tidak. Kita hancurin dulu, dapat medali mogul lagi, nice. Ya, ayo kita keluar dari tempat ini. Our business in this place is done. It's time to get out from this blasphemy place. Gorgeous. Mati lu, mati. Push sekali tebas ya. Kalau 3,5 darah musuhnya sekali tebas ya. Di Gorgeous ini. Dapat potion lagi. Kita naik level juga, level 12. Oke. Kita upgrade lagi cuy. Subcore ada, oh jadi ada inti utama tapi ada inti kedua juga cuy, ada subcore. Lumayan lah ya, naikin attack. Oke. Let's go Tifa. Kita tinggalkan tempat ini, tempat terkutuk ini. Pabriknya besar ya, kagak difungsiin lagi, kenapa ya cuy? Sepele anjir, gua mikirin sampai sejauh itu di game.
Recently a rather aggressive monster from the train.
Kita serahkan ke si ibu-ibu ini.
And there he is.
Gwen ya.
I knew you were the right man for the job.
Aku tahu kamu laki yang tepat untuk pekerjaan
Not
ini.
like these idiots with their excuses.
Tidak seperti para idiot ini yang penuh dengan alasan katanya ya.
They're just doing their job.
Kau lebih baik dari 20 mereka.
What exactly is it you're trying to say, Merc?
Apa yang sebenarnya ingin kamu katakan?
I see now.
Tentara
Heard you were
bayaran
ex-Shinra. Guess I shouldn't be
Aku
surprised
mendengar
to go to
kamu
bat for your
adalah
old buddies.
mantan anggota Shinra
Me,
ya.
I'm just looking out for my people. All there is to it. Hell with
Okay.
you. We can take care of this town ourselves. No more mercs or Shinra. We'll build up the watch and kick you all out.
Dapat Star Bracelet lumayan. Nice, kayaknya segitu aja dulu cuy part 2 gua kali ini ya. Terima kasih yang udah menonton dari awal sampai akhir dan udah support gameplay gua ya. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and share karena subscribe itu gratis dan sekali seumur hidup, nggak perlu bayar, kalian nggak perlu ngeluarin duit kalian sendiri, nggak perlu ngutang-ngutang hanya demi subscribe gua biar gua semakin semangat bikin ulasan-ulasan dari review gameplay dari game lain, berbagai macam game, termasuk dari kelanjutannya gameplay Final Fantasy 7 Remake ini. Gua Valhead undur diri dan see you, bye bye guys.